Hello guys, what's up? Welcome nga pala sa pangalawang video natin mga pare. Ngayong araw na to, ang gagawin ko naman is collectahin lahat ng Animoculi. By the way, natapos ko na pala yung Archon Quest dito sa Montcat. Hindi na ako nag-record kasi para din ma-experience nyo at para sa mga newbie, hindi rin talaga sila ma-spoil. Ngayon, pakolektahin natin ng Animoculi dito. As you can see, na-unlock ko na lahat ng waypoint dito sa Mondstadt. Ayan. Hindi naman natin kailangan i-unlock pa yung Dormant Port kasi wala naman diyang Animoculi, kundi dito lang sa specific area. I also unlock some of the areas from Liyue dahil ginawa ko yung Stygian Onslaught. Tapos, na-unlock ko na rin pala yung Spiral Abyss here. As you can see, nasa 2-3 chamber ako. Hindi ko pa kaya mag-push forward kaya dyan lang muna. So, ayun ang plano natin. By that, nagkaroon na tayo ng enough wish para makapag-wish ulit tayo sa standard banner. And also, we can also grab a character, si Barbara. Now we're gonna claim her.
Leave the healing to me. I will... Ta-da!
Ayan, may Barbara na tayo mga pare. Next! Pinag-isipan ko mabuti kung sino nga bang ito-grab natin dito sa Witch Homework. And I think official stand out kasi wala tayong Electro except Lisa. Although I also think so close, but here's the thing. Currently we have Anemo characters like Tarzan, the Anemo Traveler, and of course my main, the Mannequin. So the right choice here would be Electro since wala tayo, we are lacking that. And marami na rin akong kayo. Then right now we just got a Hydro which is Barbara, is good for newbies. So we're going to grab ourselves official. Ayan, meron na rin tayong official. Ngayon, meron pa tayong pwedeng makuwang characters from the standard banner. As you can see, meron tayong 12 standard banner. And currently, we have 26 limited pulls. As you can see here, mga pare. Ayan, 26 kasama yung 6 dun na nauna dito. Ayan. But we don't need that. We are going to wish on this banner. Sana makuha tayo ng Pavonius weapons kasi kailangan natin yung dito. Without further ado, let's go. Sana Pavonius weapons or useful characters. Oh my god, Wing Slasher. Damn, malas. Kailangan natin ng character. Putik yan. Ay, nako. Meron pang dalawa, wait lang. Tapos tingin natin dito sa shop. Pwede ba tayo makuha dito? Ayun. Maybe hindi tamang gawin yan. We instead should be doing this, I guess. Yeah. Ito na lang natin dalawa. None. And another natin. So, ayun. Wala tayong masyadong nakuha ang character. Wala tayong nakuha ang character talaga sa pool. What the hell am I talking about? Anyway, at least we got 2 new characters. Fischl and Barbara. Okay. Let's see kung pwede natin silang i-level up. At tayong electro.
I wonder when I'll be as tall as my big sister.
Ayan, so far di pa natin sila pwede yan lang ngayon, but it's alright. Hindi naman about them yung video na to. To make my life easier, I am gonna look on some map, like in Hoyo map, guides, para mas mabilis yung paghahanap natin ng Oculi. Ayaw naman pahirapan yung sarili natin dito, di ba? So, without further ado, let's go. So, simulan natin dito sa pinaka unan nating pinanggalingan dito sa may Stonebearer Point. Akit tayo dito. Oh my fucking god. Um, bro died. What the fuck? Wala nakakita nun. Anyway, let's go.
Rise.
Hanap tayo ng alternative na mas maganda, mas madali nating pakakakyatan yun. Ay, nako. Ayan, dito. The next one is gonna be in the Abyss, but I already unlocked it. But papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung ways para makapunta doon. So, all you have to do is to find 3 Zillies around here in this area. And then after no masundan yung mga sili niya yan, mag-unlock tong wind current something. Tapos all you have to do is ride that. And then yeah, go inside here. And yes, you will be here in the Abyss. You can see there is one there. So, a quick update lang. Ilan na yung Animoculus natin. We currently have 28 Animoculus, which is good. We're almost there.
Ah, okay, wala nakakita, no? So, ayun na nga guys, nakolekta na natin halos lahat ng offlay dito. And, currently, meron tayong 64. Right now, yung pang 65 dun, hindi ko ma-access. Kasi, kailangan nyo ng ice bridge. Although, I don't think I need it kasi 66 naman yung requirements. Although, nag-donate na ako ng isa dito sa Statue of the Seven. I guess kukunin ko na lang siya next time. For now, let's us donate yung mga nakuha natin na offline sa Statue of the Seven. So, ito na. Dadonate natin yan. Next time na natin kukunin doon sa area na yun. Okay, let's offer all. Ayan, diba? Na-maximize natin kaagad. Kasi yung isa doon, for ano na lang yun eh, memory. But we'll sure to take it as well na rin. For now, ayan. Umapalit tayo sa ating community. Pwede 10-10 lang, hindi katulad sa other nation. And stamina natin, nagdoble na. Oh, nice. Ayan. So, tingnan natin yung percentage ng mapa natin. For sure, nalagdagan dito. Yan. Hindi na masama. Next, I'm gonna try to unlock the dormant fort. Yan ang gagawin natin next. Or off-cam ko na lang gagawin. And then, maybe we are going to 100% the Mondstadt bago tayo pumunta din ko sa Liyue or mag-state ng Archon Quest. Also, I'm going to unlock na rin yung ibang waypoint dito sa... I'm going to unlock na yung Dragon Spine. So, for the next video, bukas na yan and other waypoints din. I'm gonna try to record some word quests para din matulungan kayo yung mga baguhan. So guys, let's do a primogen check before we go. Ayan, parang di naman nadagdagan yung primogens natin sa ginawa natin na yon. Let's see kung magkano nga ba yun pag kinonvert natin into intermine trade. Still 20. So basically hindi nadagdagan, I guess, but at least, di ba, nakolekta na natin yung animoculi dito. So, ayun lang muna mga pare. Thank you for watching. Peace out muna.